YouTube channel. Today, I'll be doing 15 resistance band workouts. I'll be dividing it into 3 parts using my resistance band set I got from AB Home Fitness. And since I have 5 bands here, I'll be switching bands, solo or combination. And if you haven't seen the unboxing and complete product review of this resistance band set, please watch the playlist Resistance Band Workouts. I'll be including the link on the description box below. So this is 15 resistance band workouts part 1. Tara, workout tayo!
Before anything else, feel free to like or share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.
band workouts part 1. Please stay tuned for parts 2, 3, and other resistance band videos coming up very, very soon. If you have any question or suggestion, please comment down below, or you can send me a private message through my Facebook or Instagram. Feel free to like and share this video, and most importantly, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button to get notified for new uploads. So thank you so much for watching. Till the next video. Bye-bye.